We got the homie Wildlife 100. Shout out Wildlife 100.
Real, real. Real, BB. I be outside in a new thing called in the streets. Who me? I been in the trap every day. I don't get much sleep. I need something so real, you can feel it in your knees. I need something like you. Do you need someone like me? If you ever lost, girl, I'ma find you. Even when you're wrong, girl, I'm behind you. I want something real, I don't want kind of. How you feel about matching my designer? All the things you work when you a rider. Yeah, you might get hurt sometime, you gotta. All you gotta do is just be honest. I never needed a favor, nigga. I don't care too much about no love. What you gon' do to ride with the plug? BB, I be outside in a new thing called in the streets. Who me? I been in the trap.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This one of them ones, bro. Wildlife. I know you already know because your shit is going up naturally. But yo, this show, I'm kind of getting chills. I feel like it make you picture like you going to scoop that, you know what I mean? Scoop up a chick or something. Like this shit kind of got nostalgic, like player vibes, like throwback player vibes. Like I'm fucking with this, my nigga. He got YouTube vlogs and all that shit too. All y'all niggas that be talking about you can't do YouTube and rap and do Twitch. You can do whatever you want. It's 2022. There's no more rules to this shit. Long as your shit is dope, whatever you do, your content, your music, that's it, my nigga.